Hello students, today we are starting first chapter of your maths book. Page number 1, question number 1, you have to write down countings from 1 to 100. In the first blank, write down 1, then 2, 3, then 10. So from 1 to 100, you have to write down the countings. Now question number 2, write the number names. A 25, it is solved and its number name is written. Now come to B 7, SEVEN 7. C 19, NINE 9, TEEN teen 19. Like this you have to complete your question number 2. Now come to page number 2. Question number 3. Carry on the pattern. Part A. It is given 15, 17, 19. It means plus 2 you have to do at each step. So what will come in the box? 21. After that 23, 25, 27. Part B 28, 30, 32. Again plus 2 is there at each and every step. So what is the next answer? 34, 36, 38, 40. Now E part 15, 20, 25. At each step plus 5 is there. So what is the next? 30, 35, 40, 45. Now question number 4, page number 2, write in words. A 6060, SIXTY 60. B 70, SEVENTY 70. G 78, SEVENTY 70 dash EIGHT 8. And rest of the parts you have to do in your notebook. Solution to some questions are given on this page. If you are having any doubt, you can consult with this. Now come to page 3. Question number 5. Write what comes before and after. Part A, 9 is given and you have to write down what comes before 9. It is 8. And what comes after 9? It is 10. Now B part, it is given 7. What comes before 7? 6. And what comes after 7? 8. Like this you have to do question number 5. Now question number 6, write the number in between. A 10 dash 12. So you have to write down the number in between. What will come here? Number? Here it will come 11. Now come to B part. 14 circle 16. The number in between will become 15. Now move to L part here. 70 and 72. What will come in between? 71. Now question number 7. Part A. The number before 23 is 22. The number after 39 is 40. The number before 70 is 69. The number after dash is 43. After what number 43 came? So it is 42. The number before 61 is 60. 97 is between 96 and 98. And rest of the parts is in homework. Now come to page number 4. You have to write down in short form question number 8, part B, as A is already solved. 20 plus 5 equals to 25. 10 plus 8 equals to 18. And these parts you do. Now question number 9, expanded form or long form. 53 equals to 50 plus 3. 42 equals to 40 plus 2. We expand the number. 26 equals to 20 plus 6. And 17 equals to 10 plus 7. Like this we do the rest of the parts. Now question number 10. Abacus is given and tens in one position are given. At the ones position you have to count the number of buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write down here 4, and in the tens position it is 1, 2, 3. So we will write down here 3. 3 tens plus 4 ones equals to 34. Like this we count the buttons and write down the numbers according to its position. Answers for page number 3 are given here. You can consult with it. Now the place value. Move to next page. Place value. How we write down the place value? Suppose a number is given. So first we expand it. And after expanding it, that particular expansion give its value. Suppose the example here is given is 34. So we write 34 as 30 plus 4. So 3 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place. Place value of 3 is 30 and place value of 4 is 40. Now let's do the questions. Question number 1. The digit in the tens place of 19 is 1. The digit in the tens place of 19 is 1, and digit in the and its place value is 10, and digit in the ones place of 19 is ones place, it is 9, and its place value is 9. Now the digit in the tens place of 27. Suppose 27 is there, tens place 2 is there, so its value is 20, and the digit in the tens place is, it will become 2 here. Now part G. In 35, the place value of 3 is 30 and the place value of 5 is 5. And like this you have to solve the questions. Now comparing and arranging. We have to compare the numbers, that which one is greater and which is smaller. And by this we put the sign. Greater than, less than or equals to sign. A 46, 74. 46 is less than 74. So we will put the sign like this. 25 is greater than 24. So we will put like this. Now come to J part. 50-40. 50 is greater. So we will put the sign greater sign. 89, 94. 89 is greater than 89 is less than 94. So we will put the sign like this. And the answers for page number 5 and 6 are given over here. And rest of the pages we will do later in the next video. Thank you.